Hello family and friends. Today I am going to make a cake for New Year's Eve, and it's keeping with the black and gold theme. So I'm using a yellow cake mix and a chocolate fudge cake mix. And I saw this technique and I thought it was pretty cool. So I'm going to give it a try. And you guys know that I'm not real good at frosting cakes, so I don't have to do layers of frosting. All I have to do is frost the outside, so that'll be easy enough. And I'm going to follow the instructions just like they say on the back of the cake mix. And I need 3 eggs. It requires a ½ cup of vegetable oil. I'm not crazy about the oils because I'm learning more about what you should and shouldn't be eating, but I'm using it for this one. So there's the ½ cup. Hang on to that because I'm going to have to do it for the other cake mix as well. And then I need, on this one, I think it's 1 1¼ cups of water. So there is 1. I'm going to do that again. And there's the quarter. And you'll notice my cake pan, it's a spring form pan. It has the lever so you can pull the outside, and I put a collar in there using parchment paper. And I did that because this cake is going to get tall, and I don't know how tall, so I wanted to build it up and give it a more height. Now we're going to do the white cake mix, or the yellow cake mix. I always crack my eggs into a little bowl. In case I get a bad egg or I get shells, I can fish it out easy enough. And if you have to get a shell out, if you do it with the eggshell itself, just go in and kind of try and scoop it out. You'll get it a whole lot easier than trying to put your finger in there. So now I'm going to use a little ladle, and I'm going to start by spooning the batter in the center. Okay, let me see if I can position the camera so you can see the inside.
think you could see how cool that looks.
So I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 350. I'm going to start at 25 minutes, and then I'm going to check it, and then I'll determine how much longer it needs to cook. But I'll show you what I'm going to do when I frost it, and that will actually be up at the ranch. So I'll show you what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Yep. Okay. So here we're going to cut the cake, and we're going to see what the inside of this thing looks like.
My daddy served in the army, where he lost his right eye and threw a flag out in his yard till the day that he died. He wore my
You don't need napkin. Just
All right, ready?
Yep.
The reveal.
Oh, it didn't work. Take it.
Oh, darn it!
Darn it.
Here, let's see.
Oh well.
That's okay.
So here's what the cake should look like when it's cut. So I consider this a fail as far as me achieving that New Year's wow effect that I wanted. The taste was great and everyone enjoyed it, but I actually missed a step, and I will do it again. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.